Still writing HTML like it's 2008? Yeah, dev soup, tables for layout, and not a single cool tag inside. Let's fix that. Here are 5 powerful HTML tags you've probably ignored, but once you see what they do, you will never go back. The first tag, details plus summary. This tag combo adds instant accordion-like behavior. No JavaScript, no libraries. You can create collapsible FAQs, reveal hidden tabs, or even make spoilers for your blog. And yeah, it even animates smoothly in modern browsers. Tag number 2, dialog. This is the native HTML model. No more bulky JavaScript model plugins. You can open it with dialog.showModel and close it with one line. And it also automatically dims the background, so we have accessibility and simplicity. Tag number 3, meter. This one's perfect for ratings, skill levels, or storage usage. It's semantic, accessible, and customizable with CSS. So stop faking progress bars with devs. This one's built right in. Tag number 4, progress. This one actually moves, great for file uploads, task completion, or loading status. And yes, you can update it live with JavaScript. So instant interactivity and zero effort. Tag number 5, abbreviation. This tiny tag improves accessibility by letting users hover to see definitions or acronyms, and search engines love it too. And there you go, HTML that actually feels alive, all without a single JavaScript library. So stop writing boring HTML. Try these 5 tags in your next project and surprise your users with how much HTML can do on its own. Like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more hidden web gems, and see you in the next one.